Do you want to make Let's Plays all in one place for zero cost? You do? Oh, you've totally come to the right place. Hold on to your hats. We're going to learn how to record PC gaming all in one place without editing software. Because fuck it. Alright, so this is the program we're going to be using. It's called Open Broadcast Software. It's a freeware that you can download from this website, obsproject.com. The link will be in the description. You just click this big old green download link. I already got it, but follow steps to do that. It's pretty straightforward. This is the final product, as you can see. So we have our FaceCam, we have our game, and it's all in one place, and it'll save to one file, which actually, now that I didn't even mention this, but it has audio of the game and audio of your voice, which is pretty cool. So there's a couple things we're going to have to do to set this up before it's going to work, because you're going to get in here, there's going to be nothing set up, which is going to be annoying. So the first thing we're going to do here is right click in the scenes box, and we're going to create a new scene. We're going to call this tutorial. Okay, so now we have a blank sources tab and nothing up here. So now what we're going to do is right click in sources and click add. Now we have a lot of options here to do things. We can capture our monitor. We can capture a desired window, so like a section of your monitor. Image slideshow, I don't think you're going to want to use that. You can add text if you want. Video capture device, which is your webcam, and game capture, which is the cool part of this program because it works off your DirectX. So we're going to call this I can't even spell surgeon. And now here we have applications. So you can go through and you can find a bunch of stuff in here. I'm using EasyVid to record this. It's fucking shit. Don't use it. So we're going to find Surgeon Simulator, which is pretty cool. It just automatically finds your game, and then you hit OK. And now if we go to hit Preview Stream, look at that. And now you want to add your webcam, so we're going to go in here. We're going to hit Video Capture Device. I'm going to call this Webcam. There you go. An odd thing is an HP True Vision. Just select your thing. You got a bunch of settings in here you can go through. Nothing that's too crazy. And now when we hit Preview Stream, oh shit, it's me. It's not what we want though. So we're gonna edit scene, and we're gonna shrink myself to the desired size, and then you click edit scene again, and look at that. Fucking beautiful. Now, Open Broadcast Software was originally made for live streaming, and if you want to go into that, a few other things, try and find some other tutorials online. I don't really use it for that, but you can. What we're going to do is a thing called file output. So if we go into our settings, we can go to, let's go to broadcast settings first. We're going to change our mode from live stream to file output. Then you will choose your path, so you hit browse, and then you just save it where you want. Don't worry about any of this shit. Give a fuck about it. Yeah, save. And here is where things get a little hectic. So if you just want to copy these, it should work fine for you. But this is where max bitrate is basically the quality. I know quality balance you probably assume is quality, but that's quality too. But this is how many kilobytes a second it is going to be in file size. So that'll determine the quality, the max quality of the video. The higher this number is, the laggier you're gonna be. If you have like a supercomputer, you probably won't have to worry about this. But if you're like me and you're on a laptop, you're probably gonna go somewhere around 2,000, 2,500. Now I might even just go to 2,000 just to be safe. And then your audio, just copy these. Don't do anything different. Now let's go to video settings. If you're on a laptop like me, you're not going to want to do 1080p because it's going to make your system just die. And let's be honest, you're not playing games in 1080p anyways if you're on a fucking laptop. Unless it's a gaming laptop, which most people don't have. And if you have that, you probably already have recording software, so you don't need to care about this shit. Yeah, so I do mine in 1280 by 720, 69 ratio. It's what I upload everything to YouTube as. The FPS is 30. YouTube automatically makes it 30, so there's no point in recording 60 frames per second unless you want to do slow motion. Yeah, but that's up to your discretion. So you set this how you want. You can change it to 1920 by 1080 if you want. Now we get to our audio. This is where we're going to want to set everything up for the recording. So desktop audio device is basically going to be your game and anything that would come out of your speakers. So mine is like, this is going to be different for everyone, but mine is speakers, HP Realtek high definition audio, and my microphone is the Zoom recording mixer. So I just select that stuff, so it's all set up. Yours is going to be different. Know what your stuff is called so you know what to pick. Don't mess this up. You mess up the audio in your video, no one's going to want to watch it. That's just how things are. Advanced. I didn't really touch anything in here. I didn't really understand it, to be honest. I just left everything how it was. I didn't fuck around with it. Same with this. I didn't fuck around with anything here. So that's basically how you set up this program. This is where you can set up the volume of the recordings. So if you want to make your microphone louder, you can do it here. The gain volume lower. You're gonna want to test this. Do a couple test clips to get a good balance. And once you get a good balance, you're good to go. Once you're ready to go, you just hit the start recording button right here, and you're recording. So that's how you record all your games in one spot for free on PC. Huh. That's weird. Time travel. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos and shit, because you probably like them. If you don't like them, well, I'm sorry. Guess I can't please you.